salvation, even after the darkest night. So better days are on the way.
All right, folks, so at his graduation ceremony recently, Odane Grant stood firm despite not having any blood relative there to support him. And he's here this morning to share his story. Morning, Virgin. How are you doing?
Morning.
All is well?
Yes.
Great to meet you. How did that make you feel?
To be honest, the word is just disappointed. I'm not used to, having the support I need. So on that special day, I just wanted to see them. Yeah.
Yep. I actually don't want to spend too much time with that because you've been brilliant. And despite all of that, you are where you are now, former head boy, and waiting on some CSEC results, and I'm sure you'll do well there. But how did you maneuver as a young man? I was reading your story, and I was impressed that you were selling sweets at school and stuff, which you shouldn't be doing, right? Tell me all about that.
So from 7th grade or from primary school, I just I would just sell anything that can give me, not only sweets, like in the T-shirt, anything like would that give me a little boots. But as you know, sweets not supposed to sell on the compound, but we have to do. We have to do.
Were you ever caught?
Many times, many times. But but seeing that in grade 11, I turned the head boy. I have to slow down. And a lady at my church got me a summer job last year, and the summer job actually bring more opportunities. And the summer job got me a work to cook, and that helped a lot.
So who teach you to cook?
Just something woman just like
yeah.
I do food at school as well.
Yeah, the other thing that I read that you had this teacher who you didn't like, and then she ended up as the greatest thing in your life. Why you didn't like her in the first place?
To me she was too strict. Yeah, and she in 7th grade she did a little thing that she asked me to get out the class. I guess I was talking too much. And
Okay, never like her. Mm-hmm. Is that the teacher we're talking about?
Yes, Miss Mackenzie.
Miss Mackenzie. Morning, Miss Mac. And then so you ended up liking her?
It's actually when after COVID and everybody come back to school, I was left with the choice to repeat or go to grade 10. Me personally, I feel like I wasn't ready, so I asked the school to repeat me. Funny enough, I went back in
her class.
And then I just realized that she was my maths teacher, and she was the one that actually liked maths. She she always encouraged me. Anything I can talk to her. If I have a song, she would listen to it first. She's just, yeah.
What do you mean if you have a song? So you're a singer too? Want to know, man? Eh?
Yes.
So you're an artist too? So you write songs?
Yeah, from time to time.
So where the ideas for that come from?
Well, music is something that, this music is a part of me. So music is something that,
Yeah. We saw you here, didn't we? We'd all together sing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then there was a janitor you said also in the story that helped you.
The janitor in primary school. So she was the one in primary school, just like Miss Mackenzie. She would encourage me, she would help me in terms of, supply. In primary school, she would always entry, like a second man. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Your story, a number of us, and I say us deliberately because I include myself, would just say, so we can't bother that and find some stupidness somewhere and get ourselves in trouble. Why did you not go that route? Why did you decide, no, I won't go through school. I know I also really want to be a nurse. So why? Where do you get this strength from?
It's when I realized that all the male in my family, I guess I realized that it's only one part, and it's just like getting on the street and selling. And I realized that I can be the difference, I can make the change. And it was hard. Many times I wanted to just stop and say, what, this not really make sense, because young youth in the ghetto, it's not really easy for me for So for me, just give in. But they do something just tell me like, you can do it, you know. You can go out there and be the difference.
Yep. So you are a singer, you are a chef, you want to be a nurse. What you're really going to do? Are you still haven't made up your mind fully yet?
I definitely know I'm going to college for sure. So I'm going to study nursing at college.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. You've checked out that and which college you're going to go and how much it can cost and all.
I haven't checked out which college, but I know that someone came to the school and they were telling me, I think it's from UTech, they tell me that it's 4 years, and if I want, because I was interested in the male midwife thing, and she said, you know, you have to go study more years after that. I said, okay, I will deal with the nurse first and see if, you know.
Yeah, you know what that is going to cost you? You know what it's going to cost you to go to school? I'm asking.
No, the amount of money?
Yeah.
No.
You know where you're going to get it from?
No, but I don't want to say, but I guess people, you know, reaching out to me since the thing, scholarship-wise, so hopefully.
Yeah, man. You're also a cricketer.
I like it. I like the sport.
How do you think I said I'm not going to spend too much time with it, but if your family watching this morning, watching this interview, how do you think they would feel about you? No.
Well, there are a few who they haven't contributed to my life, and you know they're still gonna leave not good, but you know that's just life.
All right with that?
Yeah, they are.
Wow. So one more year in high school?
Yes.
And then so you end now, or you have another year after this?
Yes, I have another year.
You have another year, and you're still at Penwood?
Yes, sir.
So impressed with you. I'm so very, very impressed with you. And anyone watching now and want to reach out to the Penwood crew to see if you could help this young man as he moves on with his life, be a nurse. I know it's not going to be easy. It's going to be probably very expensive for him. But I think everyone sees how he wants to really get there. He's a trier. A number of us would have probably given up already. So proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Who you want to say thanks to this morning? Who you want to heal up this morning? Just look in that camera. Anything you want, tell anybody you can go.
Yes, I want to tell Auntie Dana personally, because she was the only one that showed up. She's not my biological, you know, she's not related to me, but she showed up and she always there behind me, you understand? Even though she's not related to me, she always there. And Miss Ivy for coming down to the school and representing me every time in terms of report and everything. I want to say thank you. And thank you to Hope Fellowship Church for always behind me.
Proud of you, my brother. Proud of you. Artist, cook, all kind of thing. Cricketer, football you should have played. Oh, by the way, saying cricketer, the West Indies lost by an innings and 114 runs. So maybe we need to get Odane in the team. He's a batsman or a bowler?
A batsman.
Batsman, we need you in the team. I love your son. Love you plenty, plenty, plenty. Good work and good luck. The former head boy, Penwood High. And one of the persons in Jamaica that is good and great about our country. His name is Odane Grant. Like you want me crying or you don't want to. After the break, we have a chat with members of the Jamaica Junior Squash team. Soon come. Sim will have that one.